Andrew Jackson's Parrot was kicked out of his funeral for swearing too much. Imagine the scene, a solemn gathering to honor the 7th President of the United States, suddenly disrupted by the colorful language of a chatty African gray. Jackson, known for his fiery temperament and controversial policies, perhaps found a kindred spirit in his loud-mouthed pet. This feathered companion had learned to mimic the president's salty vocabulary, a testament to the uncensored atmosphere of Jackson's household. As mourners gathered in Tennessee in 1845, the parrot's outbursts were so scandalous that it had to be removed, leaving attendees in shocked amusement. This quirky anecdote offers a unique glimpse into the personal life of a public figure who was as vivid and unpredictable as his beloved bird, reminding us that history is filled with unexpected, humanizing moments that reveal the lively personalities behind the stoic portraits we see in history books.